Hello, my name is Derek. I'm just putting together a quick proposal video on how I would run real estate buyer leads. So I'm already in Facebook under my ads manager account. This is the best place to go to run ads. Facebook will sometimes, just when you're scrolling through your newsfeed, will say, click below to promote your ad. And I would not recommend that. It does not work very well. You end up with a lot of wasted ad spend. So what I do is I come into my business manager, you click on create an ad. You can choose, we'll go create a new campaign. You want to do lead generation or conversions. Conversions takes you outside of Facebook, so you need something like ClickFunnels to capture content or potential lead information. Or what I like is lead generation because it keeps you in Facebook and you can capture leads from it within Facebook, never taking a user outside of Facebook. This definitely increases your chances of getting leads. Normally you can create the name of the campaign. I'm just going to skip that for now and go to continue. Now we're into the ad set. Once you're in here, you can rename all of this, and then pick your Facebook page. I'm actually running some ads for a house flipper right now, so that's why that page is there. Coming down to the audience, we're going to create a new audience. Start with adjusting the location. We want people who live in this location. People who aren't living in that location and that are traveling through are not who we want to target. I'm just going to throw in Chicago. I don't know where you're actually at. And we're going to go, we'll change this to within 15 miles of Chicago. Typically, people buying a house are 25 to, really it could be up to 65, but for this sake, I'm just going to go up to 55. Include people, so we'll do real estate. These are who we're targeting, so people who are interested in real estate. I'm going to click on the suggestion button to get more ideas. People who are on Zillow, Trulia, house hunting, new house, home.com. Let's see, you can target like specific demographics and buyer personas, but I'm just going to throw in a few of these. Pre-qualification is a great one. If you're targeting first-time home buyers or starter homes, that would be great for that. Mortgage loans, mortgage calculator, single-family homes. Anyways, there's a whole bunch of these that you can do. But we'll just go with that for now. And then exclude people. You don't want to target, you don't want real estate agents to see let's see, I think it's called National Association of Real Estate Brokers or Realtors. You don't want either of those to pop up, but we want to exclude people that have National Association of Realtors. Again, you don't want to target real estate agents. Okay, and we'll not worry about that. Click edit placements, and we just want these to show up in the newsfeed. You can always adjust these, but the newsfeed gets the best results that I've found. These other areas, you run a lot of ads without getting any results. The newsfeed, people are scrolling through and they click on them a lot more. And unless you have Instagram, I'm going to check that off. You can put that in there if you have one. Budget, this is completely up to you, but I'd recommend $10 to $15 at a minimum per day. Go to continue, onto the ad now. You can do single images, videos, carousels. I found single images or videos work really, really well. You can create video slideshows, templates that they already have as well. And I'm just going to exit out of that. I can get out of there. So let's start with an image. Facebook has some free images that you can use, but in your proposal, it looks like you said you already have some images that you could use. So I'm just going to search for an image for now. These are free from free stock images. So we've got an image right there. And let's get down to the text. I already made some ad copy for generating buyer leads, so I'm just going to pull that real quick for the sake of time. So this is your body text. You can see it pops up right there, attention. Obviously you can change that to Chicago residents. We're speaking to Chicago residents. Who is looking to purchase a home in 2019? Tap on more to do a list of homes under whatever price range you want. 199,000. We compile a list of homes under 199,000. Tap learn more to get a list of homes under 199K. The tap learn more to get the list of homes is really important. It tells people what to do a few different times on there. Display link, that's optional. You can throw that in there if you want. You also want to put in a headline. Get a list of homes in a matter of minutes, or whatever the headline is going to be. You want to change the action to learn more. So as soon as they click on that, it'll take them to a form fill page, which is down below. Again, this copy can be changed. You can do it for an open house. You can do it for a single home listing. There's so many different options. This is just an example. And this isn't completely filled out all the way for the sake of time. And if you have a Facebook Pixel, if you don't have that installed, I can totally help you set that up. It's super easy, but it's super important to help optimize your ads and get the best performance possible. So I've created a whole bunch of different form fills. I'm just going to create a new one real quick. So once someone clicks on your ad, they'll be taken to this form, or this lead form, where they can input their information so you can contact them, add them to your list. It's really simple to set up. So you want to use the same image from your ad so people recognize it. Again, I'm just going to pull this into the headline. So enter your info below to get access to a list of homes under 100. Oops, it's too long. Let's see what we can do. It's just a little bit too long. To a list of homes. And that's it for that. Sorry, I'm just going to switch this and stick it into the questions. Turn that off. We can do email, full name. We can do first name, last name, phone number. I typically recommend no more than 3. Check that off real quick. So now it's full name, phone number, email. There's the picture. They'll come here, they'll enter their contact information real quick, they'll hit submit, and then on the thank you screen, you can write whatever you want. I typically just say great, or thanks, you're all set. Just says thanks, you're all set. You will be added to our list shortly. In the meantime, if you have any questions about buying a home, call us now. And you can change view website to download to call business if you wanted to call your business. Throw in your phone number. There's a lot of different options. Anyways, yeah, that's my video on how to generate buyer leads using Facebook ads for your real estate business.